Welcome to Digit Lab. In this video, we will learn what is electric circuit, charge and current. Now, let's learn what is electric circuit. The energy has to be transferred from one point to another point. For that, we require the interconnection of devices. Each component, each component is called elements. What is an electrical circuit? Interconnection of circuit element is known as electric circuit. Interconnection of circuit elements. Action of circuit elements. Electric circuit. Let's take an example. This one. This is and this is a DC motor with wire. I connect a DC motor to a cell through the wire. Okay. There are three elements here: one cell, wire, and DC motor. Interconnection of elements is known as electric circuit. What is an electric circuit? This interconnection of circuit elements is known as electric circuit. Now let's see what is charge. Charge is a fundamental property of the matter. Positive charge and negative charge. We know in an atom there will be electron, proton, and neutron. Proton have positive charge and electron have negative charge. Charge is measured in coulombs. Positive charges flow in one direction and negative charges flow in another direction. Let's take an example. This is the wire connected to a battery. This is the cross section of the wire. The negative charges move in one direction. Let's take in this direction. And as I said, positive charges moves in the opposite direction. Positive charges moves in this direction. It is a convention that current always flows in the direction of the positive charges. Current charge on electron is charge on the electron is minus 1.6 per minus 10 coulomb. Charge on the proton is plus 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. So 1 coulomb of charge contains 6.25 into 10 to the power 80 electrons. This can be found. Now let's see what is current. We have seen that what is a charge. The motion of charges create electric current. By definition, electric current is the time rate of change of charge measured in amperes. Measuring amperes. It's given by the equation I is equal to dq by dt, because the time rate of change of charge, time rate of change of charge is known as electric current. We know that charge is in coulomb and time is in, so it will become ampere coulomb per second. Current has two types. This direct current and another is alternating current. Alternating current. Direct current flows in one direction and alternating current flows in both directions. That is, it changes the direction with respect to time. Alternating current changes the direction with respect to time. Whereas direct current flows only in one direction and it can constant or let's for the current, the capital value or alternating current. This is the alternating current. We'll take a small I. Okay, direct current is the current what you get from the battery, and AC current is and AC is the current coming from the four faucets. What the current series knows is an example of an alternating current. In one question, they have asked how much charge represented by 4,600 electrons. Charge is given by number of electrons multiplied by the charge on the one electron. That is given by Q is equal to N E. Then given 4,600 charge on one electron is minus 1.602 into 10 to the power minus the coulomb should become minus 7.3692 into 10 to the power minus 10 coulomb. Second question about calculate the amount of charge represented by any billion protons. We know that 1 billion thousand multiplied by n lakh. What is a lakh? 2, 5 zeros, 3, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Now study it in 10 billion. 10 multiplied by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is same as a previous one. Calculate the amount of charge represent. Zero. Formula what is the formula? Q is equal to L E. We will define Q. L with the power of 10 to the power of 10 into what is the charge of the electron? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 90 coulomb. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 9 coulomb.